This video, I will show you how to insert a circle in Microsoft Excel. So click on Insert, then Shape and select here Oval. In Basic Shapes, select Oval. Press and hold Shift key and draw it. So you need and make sure you have to press and hold Shift key on your keyboard. Up here you can make changes. You can change color. You can add or remove outline. So and if you have the outline, so select uh, your outline color. You can write text, so just double click on it on your shape and type your text. Same, you can increase the size for your text and keep in middle. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.